Sir, what are you doing? Sir, hello? What are you doing with the computer?
Alright, just hold on.
I'm the scambaiter, taking scammers down, flipping the script, turning their smiles to frown.
Thank you for getting connected with the customer service. This is Alan speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hello, this is Dieter. I got a problem with my M204 printer from HP. Can you help me?
Yes, sir. What problem you are facing with your printer? Can you please confirm me?
I see some strange lines on it. What it didn't print, going vertically over the page.
I beg your pardon. Can you speak louder?
I see vertical lines on the page what it didn't print.
Okay, like you are getting multiple lines when you're trying to print something through your printer, right?
Yes, exactly. I print some my text and I got straight lines in between them.
Okay, no worries, sir. I will just try to help you out. I will try to fix this problem. First of all, can you please
Please.
confirm me your
What do I need to confirm?
registered phone number?
0833 209.
0833.
A few moments later.
Okay. And can you please confirm me your in the back of your printer there is a serial number. Can you please confirm me the serial number?
On the back of the printer. Let me have a look. Because it's in a different room. It's a wireless. So give me a second.
Yes, sir. Take your time.
My serial number is. Let's have a quick look. It's 3456.
34
56 Alpha
56
Alpha Bravo six
five.
six 666.
Sorry.
Alpha Bravo H
Can you please tell me the
Alpha. You know A.
sir, your voice is breaking. Can you speak loud?
It's the A from Apple.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you just read out the serial number once again slowly because
Okay.
your voice is breaking up.
Okay, I'll try again. 345 AB 666.
AB66.
6. Yeah.
This is
Three
your
sixes.
serial number, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. And can you please confirm me your email address, sir?
Of course, that is D underscore.
One eternity later.
All right. And can you please confirm me, sir, like how old is this printer?
2 years.
2 years. Like your printer is under warranty period, right?
Yep. I should have 3 years warranty. So
And do you remember, sir, how many?
sorry,
beg
say it
your
again.
pardon?
I didn't understand what you were saying. Say it again.
I said, do you remember like how much you paid for this printer when you purchased this printer?
I believe around $450, something give or take.
$450?
Around that number. Yes.
All right, it's around $450. No worries, sir. Can I just put your call on hold for 2 minutes so I
Yeah,
can
sure.
put your serial number in my system and think, like why you are getting this type of problem with the printer?
Okay, I'll hold. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Please be online. Let me go ahead and check it from my end. Okay. Thank you.
I'll wait. Thank you.
And sir, can you please confirm me like this is the first time you are facing this problem with your printer, or have you faced this problem before?
It's now the second day, but it's the first time I call about it.
All right, it's the second day, but you have called us first time, right?
This is the first call. Yes.
Okay, and before, have you ever faced this problem?
For 2 days. I had it yesterday and I have it today.
All right, no worries, sir. And for the verification purpose, can you please confirm me your first and last name? Thank you.
Dieter Rommel.
Thank you so much, sir. And can you please confirm me, sir, like how many devices is connected to your printer? Like this is only like have you ever connected your printer with computer, laptop, or
I'm using it on my laptop. My wife is using it also on her laptop. My daughter is using it on the computer, and sometimes I use it on the phone if I need something quick. So I got 4 devices connected.
all right, no worries, sir. I will just try to fix it out. But as I have just put your serial number in my system, I can see here that your printer is under warranty period. Okay, whatever
Yep.
problem will be like facing from the printer, if it doesn't get fixed by us, You will be
Mm-hmm.
getting a replacement, or we might send some technician to your home to check why your printer is facing this type of problem. So first of all, we need to check it manually over the phone call. If we
Mm-hmm.
done good, if not done, then we will just try to fix it with our technician. Okay? Will be okay for
Okay.
you, sir?
Yeah, go for it. I'm fine with it.
So first of all, let me connect you with my server first so we can scan the printer and check what's the problem going on. So can you just be in front of your laptop or a computer?
Oh, yeah. Hang on. We need to start it up. Give me a second because I didn't expect to do that. Hang on, hang on, hang on.
All right. Take your time, sir.
Where is my laptop? Oh, yeah, over there. Does it matter that it's a Mac or do you need a Windows? I got both of them.
If it's a Windows, it will be, if you are, you can be in front of your Windows computer. It's much better.
Okay, 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 okay. I'll boot up my Windows. It's fine. Hang on. Okay, I'm logged in. Hang on. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Yeah. All right, I'm in. What do you need to do?
Now, just try to open up your internet browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge.
I use Firefox. Is that a problem?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Opened Firefox. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Now, in the search bar, you need to type the www dot
www dot yes.
U as an umbrella,
U as an umbrella. Yes.
L as in lion,
One eternity later.
T as in tiger. Yeah, got it. Ultraviewer.net. Is that
Now,
correct?
can you just read back? Yes,
Ultraviewer.net.
sir. Now hit enter.
Enter. Yes.
Yes, now hit enter.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Got it.
what comes up on your screen?
Ultraviewer. What that comes on my screen? Hang on, it's loading. Ultraviewer. What is Ultraviewer? Downloads, documents, pricing. I see something about more info. Downloads.
Click on download. Yes, click on download. Just next to the more info, there is a download in a green box. Click on download.
Yeah, got it.
Just next to the more info, there is a download. Click on download.
There are 3 download buttons. Orange one, light blue, and a dark blue.
Once you open that file, you let me know what comes up on your screen.
I'll have a look. It says, do you want to make some changes to your system? I have to say yes. It's giving me a location to
Yes,
install
click on
it.
yes.
It gives me a location to install it.
Next, click on next.
Yeah, and then I got
Yes, click
some
on next 3 times.
3 times. Okay. Yeah.
Next, then install.
Yeah, got it. It's installing.
Now, once it's installed, you'll be getting the option finish. Just do let me know once you can see the option says finish.
Okay, hang on. Yes, about 80% or something like that. Registering control, registering servers. Oh, yeah, finish. Hitting.
And you said me your phone number. Yes, hit finish.
I
Now
see
you have
now.
got your ID and password. Can you please confirm the ID here?
Yes, I can. It is. Oh,
Confirm the ID number.
yeah, hang on. It's still loading the number. Hang on. My computer is not that fast. Oh, 1 second. My system just shut down because of a Windows update. Give me a second. My mistake. I hit the wrong button. Sorry. Give me 2 minutes. That the system will be ready. It says updating Windows. Oops.
And can you please confirm your mobile number once again?
Yeah, call it out because you just got the new number, so I don't know it by heart. And if you say it out loud, then I hear it.
Your
Then I
phone
know
number.
it. Yeah, the one you have
Number.
the one you have on your screen. I don't know the number because it's just new. It's on your screen.
No, I'm talking about the phone number. Your phone number. Your registered phone number.
My phone number. Oh, hang on. Let me check my paperwork because it's just a new number. It is 083320944447.
All right. And can you please confirm your mailing address?
It's Hamburger Street, number 15. Hamburger Street. You know, a hamburger. You know the thing you can
Yes.
eat.
Confirm your zip code, sir.
That's 0741.
After 10 minutes, the scammer finally got connected.
Okay, don't do anything, okay?
Yeah, I'll
Leave
wait.
your computer as it is.
Yeah, sure.
Now write down your service code.
Yes.
Service code is B as in Peter,
B or P?
N as
P
in
of,
Nancy,
yes.
D as in dog,
D as in dog, yes.
L as in lion,
L as in lion, yes.
F as in father.
F as in father, yes.
Number 3, number 6,
Number 6, yes.
number 2,
Number 2, and then
number 9.
9. So it's PNDLF
This is your
6
service
to
code, okay?
PNDLF 629
3629.
or 3629. Okay, sorry. Yep, got it.
All right. Now just leave your computer, sir, okay? And
Yeah,
just
okay.
write down this service code in a piece.
Okay, I'll wait. Go for it.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm waiting.
All now just fill out the informations what it's asking on your computer, okay? Just fill out the informations.
Okay. I'll write it down. Oh, hang on. My wife is calling. Oh.
On your computer. I'm talking about your computer. Just
Oh. Sorry. My mistake.
Time to activate the fires. Let's stall this scammer.
Why is my keyboard is not working? What the hell is going on? I tried to type in my name, but it doesn't work. What is going on? Sir? My keyboard is not working. What's going on? I'm trying to type my name. Hello? Hello? What's happening? My keyboard is not working.
yes, sir.
What's going on? My keyboard is not working.
Keyboard is not working?
No. Why is my keyboard not working? I don't know.
Alright, just hold on.
Now she has so many strange colors. What the hell is going on? Like static or what are you doing with my computer? Donkey? What the hell is the donkey doing on my screen? Sir, what are you doing? Sir, hello? What are you doing with my computer? Oh. Now I see colors? Hello? Are you fixing my computer or not?
There's no fixing anymore. There's no fixing anymore.
We got him.
Well, oh yeah, I gotta restart the snapshot. That computer is dead.
See the username, drug user.
Yeah, I put drug user. I thought it was funny. Yeah, that might actually cause a seizure. Look at that. Seizure warning, guys. It was a good call.